Hi everyone, if you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. You probably noticed my face is missing a little bit of a makeup and my rosacea is going crazy today, and I think this is actually a perfect time, with my rosacea being then super inflamed, to test out a brand new Makeup Revolution fast base foundation sticks. So I got 3 different shades. I got 2, 6 and 10, which I think should be good for contouring as well. Maybe, I don't know. I haven't actually opened it yet or tested out or anything, so proper first impressions review, guys. But I heard loads of things about it, so hopefully it's gonna work. I have a massively high expectation for it. So okay, I'm taking the first one, which is fast base foundation in 2 foundation sticks, super creamy. Just gonna swatch on my hand to see. Swatch is very creamy. Swatch is very easy. I thought it's gonna be harder. Ooh, I like it. Look at that. Oh, nice. I am so far impressed. It actually blends so easy as well. I like it so far. So this is number 2, F2. Then I have a F6, which is slightly bit darker beige color, which I think should match my face color, should it? I don't know. I was just, picking up the colors. I think this might be my color. Let's blend it. Oh, hello, I like this one. Yeah, I think this matches me perfectly, F6. And then I have F10, which is a darker beige color, like yellow undertone. Just gonna swatch in here. Oh, hello. This, I think, will be perfect for me for contouring. This is not too dark, but it's darker than my shade. Look at second color, that F6 just blended perfectly into my hand. It's like seamless. Look at that. Okay. Yeah, this middle one, F6, I think is my perfect match, because it just blended seamlessly in my hand. I think without any further ado, we should have it on, right? I really hope this is powerful enough to hide my rosacea, because my rosacea is going crazy today. So I'm gonna take F2 first and go as a under eye area as a contour. Oh my god, it glides on the skin so nicely. So far, you can see how my pores sticking out, so I hope this is gonna conceal that. I'm gonna do half face first because I don't know how quickly it sets or anything whatsoever. So I'm taking F6, which should be my perfect match. I'm gonna go in all the areas around. I don't know if I'm putting too much product. I haven't tested yet. I have no idea, but we're gonna see now. And then I'm taking F10, which is the darkest, and go on my cheekbone, and on the forehead. And I'm gonna try to blend this all out. So far, I am really liking the way it's gliding on the face. Feels amazing. Okay, it blends very easy. Alright, I like it so far. I'm using, by the way, Wet Miracle Sponge by Real Techniques. And this so far goes really nicely. My god, look, it blended so seamlessly. F6 is perfect shade for me, I guess. Alright, let me tell you something. Little goes a lot. I put far too much on my face. But as I mentioned before, I haven't tested this out yet. This is proper first impressions review. And so far, guys, oh my freaking goodness. Okay, it doesn't set quickly. That means you don't need to go in little areas. You can just go and put it all over your face without being scared it's just gonna set super quick, like, for example, Urban Decay one. I hope it's not gonna go and oxidize. I don't think so, because by this point, any foundations that tend to oxidize would be already getting slightly bit darker. But this one so far is not, so I don't think it's gonna actually go and oxidize. Look at the coverage. I mean, just look at that. A 5er for this. Do I need to say more? Wow, I am beyond impressed, guys. I mean, my rosacea is totally covered. Can you see my rosacea in here? You see, when I start applying, you can see my pores very, pronounced, in your face, because I have the big pores and super oily skin and rosacea and all that joy. I think I'm adding far too much product on. I don't need to add as much, but as I mentioned, I'm trying this for a first time, and I had no clue how pigmented it is and how good coverage it gives. So forgive me for that, but first time for everything. It gives a dewy finish. It's not like velvety matte finish as you can see so far. But I'm gonna jump in and apply the setting powder, which should take it off, I believe, because so far that's the only minus for me. My skin is oily enough. I don't need the foundation to be dewy and glowing, and give it natural glow, because my skin is naturally glowing enough. So that's my only minus so far. Alright, so far what I like, coverage is unbelievable. You've seen how it covered my rosacea. like this, and it blends super easy, like a dream. It's super creamy. What I don't like though is that it gives you the dewy finish, that glowing finish, but my skin is super oily already, so I don't really need that. So if you have a dry skin, it will work like a dream for you, but for an oily skin, I'm not too sure yet. So I'm gonna apply the NYX HD finishing powder to see how it actually looks with the powder on. Maybe it's gonna settle down a bit, the dewiness, because I don't particularly like. Alright, I got setting powder on half of my face. I think you can tell the difference straight on, so with setting powder, it works perfectly. If you thinking just leaving it without, if you have an oily skin, it's a bit too much, so that's minus. So as you can see, I added a little bit of a setting powder, I finished my face with some finishing powder, and then I bronzed my face a little bit, added some highlighter on. And actually, so far, I really like the way foundation sits on the face, even though my skin is oily and at first foundation looked too dewy before I applied the finishing powder on. So things that I really like about this foundation, fast-based foundation sticks by Makeup Revolution is coverage is insane. You've seen it blend super easy. It's very buildable, by the way. It doesn't go cakey. It doesn't oxidize, which is amazing. So it means the color that you see in here is the color that you're gonna get. It's not gonna go darker or anything, and it costs only a $5. I mean, this is a total bargain. A $5 for a foundation. What? But the things what I don't like about this foundation is that it goes a little bit too dewy for me, too watery looking. Although it's a foundation stick, so you would think it's gonna have a matte finish, although they don't say that, so it goes a little bit too dewy for me. So I think if you have a dry skin or dry combination skin, this foundation is your new best friend and it will be amazing for you. If you have an oily skin like I do, you will definitely need to use a setting powder, not just go with that and then, done, because it looks too dewy. For me, it was a bit too much. So after I added some setting powder, I think this foundation looks perfectly fine, even if you have an oily skin, because like my skin is so super oily, and by this point with any foundation, if it doesn't state that it's matte foundation or it's specially designed for oily skin, my skin would be already kinda making all that oil shine through, if I can say so. But so far, this looks absolutely amazing. My skin doesn't look oily, so I think thumbs up from me for this, and it costs only a $5. Definitely recommend to get this if you have a dry skin or dry to combination skin. If you have an oily skin, you can give it a go and see how it works with your skin, because everyone is different, but my oily skin so far likes it, so thumbs up from me. And yeah guys, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to press a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and I can't wait to share more videos with you guys, and I'll see you very soon. Leave a comment down below, by the way, let me know if you have tried this yet, and if you are liking it or hating it, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!